This article contains affiliate links. We may receive a commission on any sales we generate from it. Learn more. Below Deck Med has been a hit with fans since it debuted in 2020, and the show was renewed for an 8th season during BravoCon 2022, with new episodes set to come out in 2023. Ahead of the new season, lead deckhead Malia admitted she's definitely going to choose wisely when it comes to her next boatmance. TV personality Malia opened up about her split from Jake Baker, who was an engineer aboard Lady Michelle during Season 6 of the series. However, after 2 years of dating, White broke the news to Cheat Sheet, revealing she and Baker had gone their separate ways. The star opened up about the cons of dating a yachtie, but isn't turning her back on them completely. She explained, "So obviously I'm single. I'm not going to say I'll never date a yachtie again, but I'm definitely going to choose wisely." As Below Deck Med fans will know, White has had a history of boating romances during her time on the popular reality show. White also dated Tom Checketts, another crew member, and the pair met in the same circumstances White met former boyfriend Baker. She recalled her past relationships saying, "Jake and I met on the same boat. Tom, Checketts, and I, also, met on the same boat." The star explained, "It's easy to fall into a pattern with people on the same boat. But dating on the same boat skips the whole, chivalry side of things, where you get to set a standard because you already live together." Watch Below Deck for free with Hayu free trial view deal. The star confessed it is hard to maintain boundaries whilst living on the boat, resulting in the relationship moving much faster than normal. "So, you're skipping that whole first stage, which can have pros and cons. In the cons section for a long-term relationship is it doesn't set your boundaries or your standards right away because there are none. You're living in a cabin right next door where you're sharing a space and there is no you can walk me to my door, but that's my boundary. There's no setting that," she explained. Although White admitted to the lack of boundaries in boating relationships, she didn't share exactly why she ended her romance with engineer Baker. White's co-star Katie Flood, who was the chief stew aboard Lady Michelle, gave her opinion on the pair's relationship whilst also speaking to Cheat Sheet. Flood said, "I just think it was one of those things, it wasn't meant to be in the end. It's like any relationship. They tried and they were an amazing couple," Katie explained. "Jake's a good guy and it's just one of those things. It just didn't work out. That's all it came down to." After the breakdown of her relationship with Baker, the star is focusing her attention on her career, which includes recording the 3rd season of her podcast, Total Ship Show. The reality star revealed listeners can expect more interviews with a bunch of boating professionals, as they share their own experiences of the sea. She teased fans by announcing some of her future guests, who will be a U.S. Coast Guard, a qualified captain and other pretty exciting guests from the industry onto the podcast. Although Season 8 of Below Deck Med hasn't been announced yet, fans can catch White on her podcast. Below Deck Mediterranean is streaming on Bravo in the US.